I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Binance, a leading cryptocurrency exchange. We'll start by guiding you through the simple process of setting up your account. It's crucial to complete identity verification for full access to all features. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for robust security, protecting your digital assets from unauthorized access. This foundational step is vital for a safe trading experience. Once your account is secure, the next step is funding it. You can deposit cryptocurrencies directly from another wallet. Just be sure to select the correct network. Alternatively, use fiat currency deposits through bank transfers or credit and debit cards. Binance also offers peer-to-peer trading, allowing you to buy crypto with local currency from other users. Always double-check your selections to avoid any errors. Now let's dive into trading. Binance's spot trading interface allows you to buy and sell various digital assets. You'll encounter different order types: market orders for instant execution, limit orders for specific prices, and stop-limit orders for advanced strategies. Setting a stop-loss order is crucial to manage risk, while a take-profit order helps secure your gains automatically. These tools are essential for effective trading. Finally, managing your assets effectively is key. Regularly review your wallet balance and transaction history to stay informed. When withdrawing funds, always double-check the recipient address and network to ensure security. Binance also offers various earning opportunities, such as staking and savings, to grow your assets passively. Remember to remain vigilant against scams and phishing attempts to keep your investments safe and sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.